My friends, I went and bought this very cool car refrigerator, and the name is POC car refrigerator that is meant for if you travel on the road and all of those things. What I'll do is I will like go and put like a video clip of the me showing the car refrigerator coming up really soon here on my friends, and I had to cut the video off because the video was kind of messed up, but I had to cut it off and all. And also like there was music playing in the background too on my friends. And here comes the video coming up really soon here on my friends. Also, my friends, I'll go and put a link down below where you can buy this car or refrigerator too. My friends, I forgot to mention that in the video in the beginning and all. But here comes the rest of the video. This car refrigerator is very, very cool too, my friends. And if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and other social media platforms too, my friends.